Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos at home easy. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need large tortillas, cooked rice, beans, and your preferred protein like seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken. Don't forget your favorite toppings such as cheese, salsa, and sour cream. Slightly warm your tortillas in a pan or microwave for about 15 seconds each. This makes them flexible and easier to roll without cracking. Now let's assemble your burrito. Lay a warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Start by spreading a thin layer of rice or beans down the center, leaving about 1.5 inches clear on the sides. Next, add your protein and other fillings, making sure not to overfill. Then, fold in the two opposite sides of the tortilla over the fillings, creating a neat package. To complete the roll, take the bottom edge of the tortilla and fold it tightly up and over your fillings. Continue rolling firmly upwards, keeping the sides tucked in, until you have a compact, cylindrical burrito. This technique ensures everything stays neatly inside. For an extra touch, you can pan-fry or grill your finished burrito for a few minutes on each side to get a delicious, slightly crispy exterior. The best part about homemade burritos is customization. Feel free to experiment with different sauces, cheeses, and fresh toppings like avocado or cilantro to create your perfect flavor profile. For storage, wrap individual burritos tightly in foil or plastic wrap and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for longer. They reheat wonderfully. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.